using the H4 last up candle to come back to the H4 last down candle. So let's see if they will turn around. Yesterday I mentioned, right, that we were looking for price to drop to optimal trade entry, which is the 618. They missed it by a pip or something. So I think price is now going to push up. So we're gonna switch from selling to buying. So we'll be buying this down candle. On the H1, we do have a little fair value gap in here with this down candle. So you can use the H1 as entry, or you can use the, let's get rid of this, or you can use the H4, whichever one you prefer. So you can use the H1, the high, or you can use this one, which gives you that fair value gap. Also, if you put a fib, it's going to give you roughly optimal trade entry 50%. That's not bad, right? So decide which one you want to use, whether you want to use the H4 or the H1. So I'm going to put out the idea like this. I suggest use the opening price, okay, because it will bring you close to that last down candle. Okay, use the opening price on the H4 as your entry, and your first TP is going to be above previous day's high, so you'll be looking at that high as your first TP. So let's design this. Entry will be here, stop loss goes here, first TP will be there, then I'll leave the rest, but I'll take something off somewhere in here in between the second TP and the first TP. I'll take